Hello dear friends, welcome to Holy Trinity Academy. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications on my videos, new videos. So dear friends, in my previous video we discussed the strategies and approaches that should be adopted by the parents or students for choosing a career. So in this video we are going to discuss about the various career avenues, that is A to Z of streams of study or careers, part 1. So in this video is in continuation to my previous video, career approaches and strategies, and those who have not watched my previous video, I will put the link in the description box of this video so they can use that to watch my previous video. So I think promulgating career avenues, that is very important for parents and students of contemporary society, because many parents and students are in an enigma about the choice of a career for their child, and they are totally baffled what to do next. But at the same time, they do this with laxity. So a wrong choice of a career may result in losing the gusto in a candidate, and he or she feel that this choice is unviable for him or her in his or her later life, and that may blemish their career, which cannot be altered or modified later by parents. So to forge them in a perfect manner, this is a simple endeavor from my part to discuss with you the flux of higher education sector. So we are here discussing about A to Z about streams of study or careers. So if you look into the wisdom of the old, there is an old adage, if you want to shoot at the star, definitely you need to aim at the sky. Or if you want to land in moon, at least you need to focus on the stars, so that only you will land in moon. So aim at the sky to shoot at the birds. So when coming to career point, there are various questions and confusions that may arise in the mind of a candidate or parents. What next? What lies ahead for my child? What lies ahead for me? This is maybe the thinking of a candidate. Or what is awaiting me? How will be my future? What are my career? How will be my career? How to proceed? Which way will I need to choose? Which way I should choose? These are different kinds of questions and confusions that arise in the minds of many parents and students. So how to proceed with this? No decisions is to be made by the whims and fancies of candidates or his or her parents. That is, the parents should look into the taste and preference of the candidates. That should be taken into consideration. And on this background, that the family, that is the parent as well as the candidate, should take a decision. So till a decision is taken, it is very crucial for the entire family to speak for and against a choice. You need to continuously speak about the advantages and disadvantages of taking such a career decision. So once the decision is taken, and the entire family should take care to encourage and support the candidate and give his or her an assurance that at good times and at bad times in his or her career, the family will stand with him or her. That is the healthy attitude of the parents about studies and career decisions of their ward is, you do your best. If you do well and win, we are happy, but if you fail, you are still our child. So when coming to the choice of a job, Dignity of labor is one of the major concepts that nowadays comes in the mind of many parents and students in India. So this is a concept that is little appreciated and much less practiced in India. We know that our students queue up outside colleges with high cutoff marks. They pay through their nose to get admissions without realizing that India produces 27 lakhs graduates, that is 2.7 million graduates every year with no relevant skills that connect to work and employment. And moreover, urban India has a penchant to emulate some values of the West. It stops short of emulating dignity of labor as a value. So what is the color of your collar you want? That is a big question I place before my dear students or young friends. So there are different collars of jobs. So let us have a look into the different color of jobs that is available in India. And you might be very familiar with the terms like white collar job and blue collar job. So these are only an occupational classification used simply to distinguish the employee who perform manual labor from office employees. So there is a notion or a wrong feeling among or myth among the people that in white collar jobs have higher pay grade while blue collar post runs by hourly wage. This is not true. This does not hold true all the time. As business structures and nature transforms over time, job designations and occupations become diverse, and the workforce segmentation has become mixed of white and blue collar jobs. So the adjustment to market demands leads to further development of better business models paired with the versatility of the employee, created new kinds of job as an offshoot. So what color are you going to wear in future? Here are some new job classification you should be familiar with. One is white collar job. So this is typically associated with a desktop job, and these people are usually tasked with the clerical, administrative and managerial function, and this category of people requires formal education. So blue collar job, this is the class of skilled workers who do labor using their hands or so-called manual and technical labors. So most blue collar occupations do not require formal education, but some jobs require vocational degrees. And third category is known as grey collar job. This segment is the grey area of job segmentation, as it is used as a neutral title to several posts, though some use it as a term for the people in the information technology sector. And in some culture also it pertains to them as the old-age workforce, while others define them as an underemployed white-collar workers. And the next category of another category of job category is gold collar. Gold collar. They are the most sought after professionals, the highly skilled set in which accountants, surgeons, engineers, and lawyers fall under. And another type is pink collar job. So these jobs that are culturally held by women, the usage of which is already changed and applicable to to all service jobs in the industry. Waiters, retail clerks, salesperson of both genders are under this category. And green collar job, this encompasses all the jobs in the environmental sector, often called green job. It covers occupations that handle the conservation and sustainability of the environment. Conservation, that handle the conservation and sustainability of the environment. And orange collar job, this term is used for prison laborers. And black collar job is another collar of job. They are laborers who generally deals with dirty and dusty workload like mining, drilling, etc. However, this term is used for used as black collar in some cases, like with something associated with illegal professions or money business. And chrome collar is another type of job. This is a new and advanced technological working concept, These are the two types. These are the types of jobs that are automated and done by robots. And pop to collar job. So here the employees are the people from rich family, and they take up a job on 9 to 5 for character building. And they can also be young people who usually work at a prestigious gold club or in stocks. And no collar job, artists and free spirits who choose passion and growth than financial gains. That is, they don't get paid well, but still work as volunteers, fall under this segment. And they are the people who work freelance. They are known as no collar job. So these are the various classifications of jobs based upon the collar that is assigned for each category of job. And the rest of the topics relating to A2 is career, that will be discussed in my new coming up video, part 2, career avenues. We will discuss that in our second video. Career avenues, that is will be the topic we will be discussing in the coming up video. Thank you all.